Hi guys, this is your DK again. In this video, we are going to discuss about Generative Adversarial Network, which is GAN. So now let's try to understand the difference between a normal neural network algorithm and the GAN network. So this is how the flow of a normal convolution neural network looks. In the last video, what we did is like we passed an image of baby and flower to the CNN model and we try to predict the output. So basically, the input goes to the ML model and the ML model will predict an output which is going to be my model output, and there will be the actual output. The difference between model output and actual output will be my error. So once the ML model identifies the error, it fixes or corrects the error and it tries to predict the output again. So this is going to happen in a circular motion unless until the model comes up with the proper learning. So this is how the simple convolution neural network flow works. So how does a GAN differs from the traditional neural network? Now let's try to understand the GAN architecture. In the GAN architecture, we have a generator and a discriminator. So now let's try to understand the discriminator part. So in the discriminator, what we're going to do is like we are going to pass the image of the baby to the CNN model again. So the CNN model is going to understand the input and it tries to predict the output. So there will be difference between the model output and the actual output. So that is what we name it as an error term. So the discriminator model will overcome the error term and tries to learn all the important features and tries to classify the image as a baby. So till this step, the generator will be idle. The generator will not be doing any new stuffs. So once discriminator tries to understand it, so now what generator will do is like generator will try to create some fake samples. When I say fake samples, it anonymously creates some sample image and it tries to pass it to the discriminator. And it asks discriminator, hey, discriminator, was it a baby image? The discriminator will gonna say, no, it's not the baby image. And this is the difference between the baby image and the fake image you have supplied. So this generator model, what it's gonna do is like it tries to fix the input image in such a way it matches the real output. So the generator model is going to create a fake sample unless until the fake sample matches the real sample in the real world scenario. So that's the name generator adversarial neural network. This generator model is going to create an image from nowhere to match the real world use case or real image of a baby. If you want to understand more about neural network or convolution neural network, I request you to watch my previous video. In the next video, we will be discussing how to implement GAN network using PyTorch end-to-end using a custom dataset. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe the same. Thanks for watching the video and happy learning.